guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to unhide apps on your iPhone that were previously hidden and you just don't know where they're hidden or how to unhide them. So if you hid any of your apps on your iPhone, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the right until you find this section, okay? Here you want to scroll to the bottom of your screen and find this hidden tab, okay, hidden section. You want to tap on it once. Now it will ask you to enter your iPhone passcode, okay? You enter it here, and this will show you what apps were hidden by you previously, and they cannot be shown anywhere else on your iPhone but in this specific section. So how to get them from here to back to your home screen to make them unhidden again. Okay, so we tap on it and we hold this application, and then it gives you the option to don't require passcode, which you want to tap on it, and then you want to enter the passcode. So once entered, the application will appear back on the home screen. I prefer to keep my applications hidden. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.